Look no further than Kunes RV for your repair and maintenance needs. If you're looking for a routine service, large repair, or to customize your RV, we got you covered. Do you have a custom design in mind? Kunes RV's skilled technicians have the experience and know how to make it happen. We also have many accessories that are perfect for your camping trips, including satellite dishes, Wi-Fi extenders, booze dispensers, and more. If we don't have it in stock, we're happy to order it for you. Want to live the RV life without commitment? Our RV rental program has the best travel trailers and motorhomes to make your next vacation the best ever. Not enough room in your driveway for your new RV? We have several locations that offer safe and secure storage at affordable prices. Also, if you're in the market to trade up to a new model, we offer excellent financing rates and programs to trade up consignment or sell your old RVs to us. We have many locations spanning across Wisconsin, Illinois, and Minnesota. We are growing. Reach out to us or stop by and let us know how we can help. Check us out at kunesrv.com.